Let's read source 3 for the Hammurabi investigation. It's titled Handbook to Life in Ancient Mesopotamia. First, let's read the central question to remind ourselves of our purpose for reading this source. What was important to King Hammurabi? Now, let's read the attribution and then the headnote, because that's where you'll learn what type of source it is and who wrote it and when they wrote it. Attribution. Text modified from Handbook to Life in Ancient Mesopotamia, written by Stephen Birdman in 2003. Headnote. The Handbook to Life in Ancient Mesopotamia is about geography and archaeology. The Handbook to Life in Ancient Mesopotamia tells the story of ancient civilizations between 3500 and 500 BCE. Stephen Birdman wrote it. He was a professor at the University of Windsor. He wrote about world literatures, world cultures, and ancient civilizations. I'm going to pause here. Take a moment to answer these questions about the headnote and attribution in your packet. So pause and come back when you're ready. Okay, now I'm going to read the source. Let's read what Stephen Birdman wrote in Handbook to Life in Ancient Mesopotamia. In the Code of Hammurabi, punishments were based on one's social class. If a person did something wrong against a member of a lower class, a poor person, he would get a smaller punishment. But if he did something wrong against a member of a higher class, a rich person, he would get a bigger punishment. The punishment system helped make the social order. The rich people paid higher fines. The poor people paid lower fines. Mesopotamia law said that people must do good work. If people do not do good work, they will be strongly punished. If a boatman sinks a boat because he was not careful, he will pay for the cost of the boat. And if a building falls down and its owner dies, the builder has to pay with his life. Okay, go back and read the source yourself, and pause after each sentence to think about what people and institutions are actors in the source, and what is the relationship between those people and institutions. Think about the relationship between the people and the laws or the government.